Welcome back. You're watching All About Stocks on ET Now. Thanks for staying with us. Sharmila is with us as well. We have a couple of questions, Sharmila, that have come in during the week. The first one is on DLF. Subrata Datta has written in, he has 200 shares of DLF, which he bought at 250 rupees. He wants to know, should he buy more at the current levels? Now, we know DLF ended the week at 226. It was down about 10% this week. What's your call on that stock? Would you recommend that he buy more and average out at this point?
I think wait for lower prices to average out, because I think, between 250 and 226 there's really not much, averaging that can be done. So you'll have to wait for it to come down more to average. I think the question you need to really answer is that whether you want to hold on to the stock at all. So there are a lot of positives for the stock as such, but I think again there you'll have to probably wait it out for at least, I think, 8 to 9 months really before you can see a positive sentiment coming into the real estate space as a whole.
Our next question comes in from Santosh, who has 250 shares of Sesa Goa, which he bought at 420 rupees. Now, he wants to know if he should hold on for longer. We know Sesa Goa ended the week at 226. What is your recommendation on Sesa Goa for someone who can hold for a longer term? Would you recommend waiting this period out?
Sesa Goa is obviously, I think, the stock in news. You are hearing of Sterlite getting merged with Sesa Goa. I think they're talking of a 2 to 2.5 kind of a ratio. Then you're also hearing that the Kane stake that is in Vedanta could be part of Sesa Goa. So Sesa Goa would be like the parent holding company for all these businesses for the group. So I think there's a lot happening there. I think that it's very difficult to take a call on the stock at the current price and current time until you see how this news flow plays out. So for me, at this point in time, the stock is a definite hold.
All right, unfortunately, we've run out of time on this show. Sharmila, thank you so much for joining us. It's always a pleasure to have you on All About Stocks. Now, if you want your portfolio looked at or your questions answered, there's an email ID at the bottom of your screen. Feel free to write to us. You can also catch this show on our Facebook page as well. Thanks for watching All About Stocks. Come back next week. We'll have more recommendations and, of course, we will be answering those questions you send in. Thanks for watching.